Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn the dance from the Nike Skims commercial. Remember, this is the tutorial only, so if you want to practice with the music, you can check the video with the slow version or the shorts with the normal speed. Super important, don't forget to warm up properly before you start. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, let's start. So we're gonna do mirror, meaning this is your right and this is your left. So we're gonna start sliding on the floor. Yeah, slide on your demi-point. Yeah, if you've done ballet before, this is an échappé. So you're sliding and you arrive on your demi-point, on your toes. Yes, with your arms here in a V position. So, and then we're gonna turn, yes, to the right side, and both of the legs are bent and kind of parallel. Yes? So, we're doing échappé. 1, 2, and then we're gonna go on the left leg and stretch the right leg and point your foot. Yeah? This is more like ballet vibe, so we're gonna have to point the toes a little bit in this dance. Yeah. So again, so we slide 1, 2, and you go on your left leg, bend straight, toes pointy. Yes, and the arms are gonna be here. So right, they're gonna both stretch. Right arm is gonna stay straight and the left arm is gonna bend and the hand is gonna arrive here near the shoulder. Yes? So, échappé, bend, boom. Yes, and the counts on 1, 2, 3. Yes? Again, 1, 2, 3. From here, the arms are gonna do this. Yeah, so the elbows drop, and then you're gonna put your hands on the shoulder. Yeah, so from here, drop, shoulder, boom. Yes, and the left shoulder is gonna go up. Yeah, so from here, boom, again, boom. Yes, the leg from here is gonna prepare and kick. Yeah, prepare and kick with your foot flex. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and when you kick, the hip, right hip is gonna go up a little bit. Yeah, again, just that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? So I started now in like that, in a first position. On the videos, I started like in a third position, yeah, or fifth position to feel a little bit more ballet. But we don't know how she starts because it's cut, so we don't know how the legs are. So it's really up to you. Yeah? So again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna close the left foot next to the right one, and you're gonna be on your toes. Yes? So from here, you're gonna close on the arms. The right arm is gonna go under the shoulder, and the left arm is a little bit curved like that. And the hip is gonna go up and up. Yes, so up the first time, your leg is slightly more straight, and then you're gonna go a little bit more down with the body. Yeah? So we were here, and kick, and hip, hip, hip. Yeah? On the first one, You can throw your head back a little bit, but you're still looking kind of forward. So it's kind of an awkward position for the head, but yeah, that's what it is, yeah? And then you can bring it back for the 2 hips, yeah? Again from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yeah, one more time, just that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. After, we're going to jump to a second. Yes. And the hands are going to be here on the hips. Yeah, it's very fast. The jump, yeah. And then we're going to go with the rib cage circle. Yeah, so to the right, forward, left. Right, forward, left. And then we go right, left. Yeah, so circle, right, left, and then head, come back. Yeah? So we were here, we jump and circle, right, left, head, head. Again. And jump, right, left, head, head. Look up, look forward. Yeah, so from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah, so that's really fast. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. From here, we're gonna stretch the left leg and stretch the left arm, the right arm, bend on your head, behind your head. Yes, and you bring everything together and you stretch both of your arms and the left leg as well, and you bring everything together. Yeah, so from here, and center, and stretch. Yes, really develop those arms. Yes, yeah, up and come back, yeah. Same thing, we don't really see what she's doing with this leg, so everybody is doing their own version, or they're stretching, or they're just leaving in here. I think it's nice, yeah, to stretch. Yes, and bring it back. Yeah, so from here, so circle, right, left, head, head, together, stretch, together. Yeah, from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna do step, rotary, step, rotary. Yeah? So you're gonna step and rotary, meaning the leg is bent, the foot is on your leg. Yeah? The toes is in the inside of the leg, touching the knee. Yes, make sure the foot is pointy. Yeah, so right leg, left leg, and then that's when it's tricky with the arms. Yeah, so leg, leg, no arm, and then arm, 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 arm. Just the legs. So rotary, 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 rotary. And you're gonna stretch the left leg, the right leg is bent. The arms, so we're gonna do rotary, and you're gonna bend your right arm, yes, still parallel to the floor, like that. And then this arm, the left one, is gonna come in that position, and the hand is gonna lift. Yeah, so from here you do that. Yeah, so here and again this, and then we're gonna switch. So this one is straight, this one is bent, and switch. So just the arms. So this, 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 this. Yeah, this one you have to practice a lot, yeah, because it's a bit tricky. Yeah, so this, because it's fast. Here, here. Let's try with the legs. So we do the first ones without the arms. Then you add those tricky arms, up, boom. Again, one more time. Retirez, retirez, boom. Yes? Again from this spot. So we've done pam, 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 pam. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, again that. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go from the retiré, and then we keep going. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're gonna do, so you close your feet together, and you're gonna cross, cross, open, open. Yeah, so cross, cross, open, open. You're gonna go in second on your demi-point, right, left. Yes, with the arms going up. So from here, pam, 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 pam. Yeah, so we were here. So cross, open, open, pam, 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 pam. Then we're gonna go down on a plie. Yes, make sure your knees kind of are from push to the side, yeah? And the left, so we're not like that, but the left shoulder gonna go forward, stretch forward. And then we're gonna switch to the right shoulder, yeah? So from the rotary, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. It's almost finished, yeah? From here, you're gonna slide. Yeah, so you slide on the floor, and you're gonna finish with your right foot in front. Yes, if you've done ballet, it's a third or a fifth position. Yes, so the right foot is in front, and the legs, you try to get them really together as much as you can. Yes, so from here, we're gonna do slide, and the arms are gonna arrive like that. So the left arm is straight forward, a little bit up in the diagonal, and the right one, your right hand is on your shoulder. Yeah, so from here, boom, and you slide back and go back to that position you were before in, yeah? So, we've done pam, 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 and left, right, and slide, and come back. Are we done? Yes, so from the rotaries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. So, rotary, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? From the top. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.